What's going on YouTube? It's J Red the Barber again, coming to y'all with another haircut tutorial. Today we doing a major transformation, man. Getting that whole thing cut off the top down to a 3 low taper. I was kind of upset, man. I wanted to show y'all some shed work, but he came in the shop and said he wanted to cut it off. That's alright. We're gonna perform whatever the client wants us to perform. Going against the grain with the number 3 guard. Make sure that hair all even around the head. We're gonna start out putting in the bald line. We're doing the bald line like a triangle. It gives us like that burst taper effect. This is like gonna be like a mid taper. Now we go with our lever open halfway, and we're going up about a half of an inch. Then we're going to close the lever and blend out that bottom line. Next guideline, we're going to put our 1 guard on there, and it's going to be fully closed, and we're going to go up about another half of an inch, maybe an inch. Put that half guard on there and have the lever close and blend out that next line. Now we got our lever all the way open and finishing blending out that last line. The half guard didn't get it all the way, so we just go down to the next lever. So now I put my 2 guard on, and we're gonna open up the lever all the way and blend in the bulk of the hair. Then we're gonna close it and keep on blending down. And go ahead and we're gonna throw out a 1.5 guard on there, and we're gonna have it all the way open. I'm gonna close the lever in a second and keep on blending down. I'm going to put our 1 guard on, and we're going to open it up all the way. We started off blending up, and we finish off the blending down. You see the taper coming together very well. Now we're going to close the lever, and this should blend it up perfectly. This was a last minute video too. I wasn't expecting to actually record this video. Look at that blend crazy. Still some detail work though. Put that half guard on and open it up and get some more of that detail work in. And what you do to one side, you do to the other side. So I sped this side up. We put our ball line in. Then our lever going to be halfway open. Going up about a half an inch. Lever closed, blend out that bottom line. One guard closed, going up about another half of an inch. And using a half guard close to blend that out. Lever all the way open. Two guard on, all the way open, blending out the bulk of the hair. Close it. And we're just blending down the blade scale now. Started out blending up and finish off blending down. Now we got our half guard on open. We're going to close it. Then we're going to go in with the one guard open. And you're going to close it. Then we're going to put our half guard on all the way open. Finish off the blend. Now we closed it. Now you're going to go ahead and go straight into the neck taper. What you do on any side, you do the same steps all around the head. Ball line. It's simple, man. Cutting hair is simple. You just got to get the practice in. Don't be scared. Ball line in, and we're going to go in with our lever halfway open again and go up about a half of an inch to an inch. And we're going to close it and blend out that bottom line. We got our one guard on closed, all the way closed. And we're going up another inch. And we're going to go ahead and put our half guard on, close, and blend out that line. We're going to open up our lever all the way and blend out that line some more. Go ahead and throw on our two guard open and blend out that bulk of the hair. And go ahead and start fading down. Lever close. Same steps all the way around the head, man. Once you get these steps down pat and you start implementing them into your haircut, it's going to be so simple. The more practice you get, the better you're going to get. Consistency and time brings results, man. I got my 1.5 guard on open now. I'm going to close the lever, blend at that line some more. But yeah, man, like I was saying, man, consistency plus time equal results. I've been doing this for 5 years now, man. Well, going on 5 years next month. Consistency plus time equal results, man. Now I'm gonna drop the brush. Now we're putting our 1 guard on open, and we're gonna continue to blend down. We're blending right underneath where we left off at with the 1.5 guard close. And you see how I'm stretching the skin to get right underneath of that wrinkle that he's got on, in the back of his occipital bone. If I don't blend, don't stretch that skin, I can't blend underneath of that occipital bone. So sometimes you just gotta pull on the skin so your clippers can attack at the hair properly. Keep that in mind whenever you get a client that's got a little more thicker skin back there and has fat that hangs over his occipital bone and creates that little indentation in the back of his head. Don't be scared to play with that lever when you're trying to blend, man, and get your detail work in. In the shape up prep, I already cleaned the skin with alcohol and sprayed some Tresemme hold spray on the line before I started the head. Always do line up prep before you start shaping anybody up, man. Line up prep is important. You start with the weak side and you work your way to the strong side so you can match the strong side with the weak side. I always start from the middle and work my way to the weak side and match the strong side with the weak side. Keep that in mind when it comes time for you to do a shape up. Use that rhino comb to make sure your corners are even. You always want to make sure both sides of your C cups are even. Lightly tap and enhancement. You don't gotta kick it all up and make it look fake. Spray some Tresemme hose spray on there. Make sure them fibers stick in there. We're gonna go ahead and dry it off and then reline it up with the fibers on it. I'm going to go in with that razor and stretch the skin as far as possible. That's what he was looking like before he came in the shop. Watch this. Ray changed my man's life. Yes, he in there. Major transformation, man. Let me know what y'all think about the cut. What you think I could have did better with the video, with the cut. What you want to see in the videos to come, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in with me. I appreciate everybody locking in with me on this journey, man. And it's the final product. Y'all know what time it is, man. J Rez the Barber. I'm out. I appreciate y'all. Sheesh.